Hi. Thank you for joining the live stream. So what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about the skincare line. Glam Pores is the name of the skincare line. And so we are going to talk about the Rose Face Cleanser. And so we're just gonna talk about just this skincare for today. If you have questions about the other skincare with the brand, then you can definitely ask. So while I'm waiting for more people to join, I'll just show you what the packaging looks like. I'll talk a little bit about the brand packaging. So the brand name is Elise Pink, and the slogan is Glitter and Glamour. And the slogan of Glitter and Glamour is basically about a lifestyle, the way that you want to treat yourself, the way that you want to treat your skin. Basically, you're treating yourself to look and to feel high quality. You're treating yourself to be the best. You're doing things to your appearance and doing things to your skin to make yourself feel the best and to make yourself to look the best. So Glitter and Glamour also refers to the glitter makeup that is available, the glitter eyeshadow, like the individual glitter eyeshadows, and then the glitter eyeshadow palettes. And the packaging for the makeup products has a lot of the glitter texture and the rhinestone texture and the pearl texture. And then with the glamorous part, that's more of how you feel about yourself, how you treat yourself. And so we also have the rhinestones as a part of the packaging. So that's relating to treating yourself to be high quality, helping yourself to feel high quality, just helping yourself to feel your best and helping yourself to look your best. So it's really about your mentality towards yourself and about your lifestyle. And then for today, for this live stream, we can talk about the Glam Pores Skincare. So with the brand, there is the skincare and then there's the makeup products. And so with the Glam Pores, we are just going to talk about the Rose Face Cleanser just for today. So this is what the Rose Face Cleanser looks like. It comes in this elegant glass bottle. So I'm rubbing my nails against the bottle so you can kind of hear that nice little sound. In my opinion, when I tap my nails against the glass, it's like this soothing feeling. So I like it. Maybe some of you might like it too. It kind of reminds me a little bit of the ASMR. And so it has this little cap that comes off. This is 3.3 ounces, if you're wondering how much, how much of the amount is in the jar. And so it's made with strawberries and hibiscus for the ingredients, but it's really soft and smooth onto your skin. So it's basically just to show lots of love to your pores. It's more than just a quick little face cleanser. It's really about taking your time to give your pores the attention that they need, give your pores the love that they need. So this is about self-care, loving yourself, to take the time to pay attention to your pores, pay attention to your skin. So yeah, I definitely made sure that I'm not wearing makeup so I can show you about the Rose Face Cleanser. And so it has this pump, if you can kind of tell, like the little pump for the nozzle. And I think that's convenient for you because you can easily just pump little by little. So you can pump as little as you want, or keep pumping some extra if you feel the need to use extra cleanser. So I'm going to use my microfiber face pad, and right now it's damp. I'm sorry, not damp, it's dry, but I'm going to make it damp. So I'm gonna wet my face just a little bit. One thing that I like about water is that the water helps to open my pores, and I have oily skin. And then I'm just gonna do I like to do 2 or 3 little pumps. Then I'll do a full pump on this side. So I'll press the pump all the way down so you can see how much can come out. And then I'm just gonna take my fingers and rub like this. And you see it has this foamy effect. So it's very lightweight. I'm hoping you can tell that it is lightweight. It has a lightweight consistency. I'll put a little on my tip. Like you see it's very lightweight. So I have oily skin, and it's a good cleanser for my pores. And I still have my wet face pad. So it comes off really good. Making sure to wipe it off my mouth because I could taste the soapy taste. So yeah, it's very good to deep cleanse your pores. So it's a nice and relaxing rose face cleanser for the day, like for the morning and for the evening. So yeah. My face is drying, but there's not much need to add a moisturizer after, because it leaves a soft feeling on your skin. So let me know if you have more questions about the Rose Face Cleanser. And that's how it works. So if you're not into like the foamy, if you don't like your face cleanser to be foamy, that's perfectly fine. This has just a little bit of foam, not much. So, and it cleanses really good. You don't have to press too hard onto your skin to use this cleanser. It doesn't take much, you know. You can probably wipe your face really quick in about 5 minutes. So thank you for watching.